So here now, it's me, the Wildlife Master, back again in the bush as usual. I know it's been a while, but I've been busy filming, documenting wildlife. So here's another vlog, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. This vlog is sponsored by Trini Media, photo and video productions, corporate videography, commercials, live events, and more. If your business is looking for professional videography services, give them a call at 706-1829 or check out the website in the description. So here now, we are back in the bush. Look at the camp. The camp set up neat. Yes, we are here with Chase and Weberso and Bush Monster. We're going to camp out here for a few days and see what we find. And right alongside camp we saw this interesting species. For those of you who don't know what this is, I grew up calling this Highwoods coral, and it is known as Highwoods coral in certain places of Trinidad, but this is a juvenile. Normally they'll be green or a yellow coloration, but this is the juvenile, which is more brownish. Very pretty snake. When it grows older, has a very colorful belly, but some people know this as cobra or false cobra, if you ever heard people use that term in Trinidad, because as you can see, sometimes there's hood when they feel defensive. Most of the time they'll run, but sometimes when they corner they'll hood, like similar to a cobra. But this is not a cobra and is not highly venomous or dangerous to humans. Hog plum. See how this forest is, how it just walkable. This is the old forest, had time to regrow, fix up, maintain, and a healthy forest too, because the older trees kinda shade in the ground, as well as like quank and deer, lap and guti also eating a lot of the smaller saplings. So trees like this, which poisonous, they leave, and you can also hear the monkeys and all, but very few young trees that have, and more older trees. Yeah, this is signs of a old forest. All a monkey bellowing through the forest. Hear them. Just see a mat, a big one. They're found all over, everywhere, very common. So fast. One. And two gallop, two males. Yeah, like they was sunning out there. Yeah, oh, they was fighting. Two males. Oh, we see a lot of those. Very common. Two male gallop. Maybe there's a female in the water here. But yeah, look at it go. Yes. Looking like a hog hole. Quink. A quink then. Smelling. Agouti somewhere there. I know. He gone in the stump there. I seen two gibas. Look. Okay, one gone down in the water. The next one on the log. Two gibas. There the hell. No, it's a giba and a gallop. Yeah. See the gallop. We can't really see much. No problem. Right. Like the gallop. Just need to find the giba. You can see the gallop right there. So this giba hiding real good in this water here, but at least we see a gallop. Continuing, so we're going to see to head back to camp. Agouti run off. At least I think it was agouti. There's a few creatures in the forest, I shouldn't say a few, a good bit, that goes underestimated, and one such is such a small critter, not this, those army ants. They come in swarms and could clear a large portion of the forest of most living creatures. Besides plants, no, they don't eat plants, but they eat anything that gets in their pathway. I've seen them eat snakes, especially the Mapapi balsains. And I've seen them eat turtles as well. I even seen the corpse of a mackerel in the pathway of a trail. They come in large swarms and sweep through the forest floor and attack anything that moves. And they bite pretty hard. One of the underestimated critters. Oh, look at the next one over there. And next, a gallop there, a male. Right, you seen it? And one over there. Hold on, gotta get close. They're all bright. Yeah. Have a lot. See what I say? Gallops so common. There's so much of them in this one area. This snake has been featured in so many of my vlogs, but this is the Mapapy defer, or tropical flat snake. Harmless to humans, very curious snake, very pretty, but not deadly to people or humans, so we're safe. Well, we finished cook something. We're going to see to start exploring, and then when we come back we will eat. Scorpion. Huh? Scorpion? Which one? Scorpion. Man, catch a baby. Matt, look at that. Look how small this thing is out in the night. I wonder what bring him out.
I hope the snakes will jump in inside here.
Will be just hatched? Nah, he don't have the egg too. This is a baby man. Let me switch camera, try to get better quality. This is a juvenile mat. See how small is it?
Use this one.
For those that are unfamiliar with this species, this is a mat, Sally Painter or golden tigu. It is the second largest lizard found in Trinidad and Tobago, reaching a length between 2 and rarely 4 feet. But it's not so common to see a juvenile walking around at night, so this was very exciting for us. I don't know what was happening that night, but I had a lot of tarantulas coming out, from this juvenile olive tarantula to even a Trinidad pink tarantula, and we even saw a copper top tarantula wandering about the forest that night. 24-hour lizard. Horsewhip. A baby horsewhip. There's a couple of snakes known as horsewhip in Trinidad and Tobago, and this is one. But this is also known as the brown vine snake. Harmless snake. We was trying to get some headshots, some nice footage of the face because this is a juvenile, like it hatched recently, so it was very vibrant in different colors. After we got a few pictures and footage and shots or whatever, we decided to place it back where we found it, just like what we must do. Of course, snake right there. And this is one of the reasons why we couldn't stay so long with the horsewhip, because right by our feet was this Trinidad ribbon coral snake, or some people say larger coral snake. For those that is new to this channel, like, share and subscribe. But this is one of the 4 highly venomous snakes found in Trinidad. This one had white stripes. Sometimes they come with yellow stripes instead of white, but nevertheless this is deadly. Now, unlike other species of snake, this snake lacks the ability to strike. So as long as we kept our distance, we was safe. Kinda. Hey, look at Manikou.
Segments.
Woolly tail Manikou. Up there. Right. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a Manikou up there. There's a woolly Manikou. Our mosquitoes, we take a couple of pictures. And now we're gonna see to move on. Look, a cascabel. And we were greeted once again by one of the common folks of the forest, the Cascabel dormillion, which is one of the 4 boas found in Trinidad and one of 3 found in Tobago. A porcupine high up in the tree up so, right there, where it's shining. It's behind our bush.
I've seen it shaking now, I'm seeing it.
A big porcupine. You see how big it looks? Can't see. Seeing anything? You see how big and fuzzy it looks?
Yeah, I can.
So, we saw a big old porcupine, and well, we lost it. It was somewhere up in the canopy in the forest. Somewhere up in the tree. It was a big fella. Now we still continuing the search for wildlife. You see a porcupine up there? Go see if we can get some pictures. Right now we're trying to take some pictures of a porcupine up there. Yeah. pictures coming out good. So we just come back from a little bush walk, and here we have food, which is rice, pea stew, chicken, and hog plum juice. We get some hog plum in the forest there, and we make some juice. Yes, look at that. Nice food. So we gotta see to eat, sleep, and then prepare for tomorrow. So we are back in camp. We're back in camp there, and we're gonna see to sleep and get ready for the morning. We saw a number of creatures. Oh, it's already morning? Oh well, it's already morning. Let me see to get some sleep. And yeah, call it a night. So we wake up in the morning, we rock up camp rock up. We're gonna do a little exploration and head home. So we didn't do much exploration, we just trekked out to the forest to get back home. So, as you all know, I'm the Wildlife Master. Hope you like, share and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, blessings and bless out.